Okay, so today is the day where we get to go on St. Thomas, and we have an excursion planned here, so we're gonna go on a hike, and we're gonna kayak, and we're gonna go snorkeling. So it should be really fun, and yeah, we're gonna go through like the customs thing again, because we're now technically in the US, so yeah.
What's a dog? No way! Coming out ahead on this trip. Alright, as you guys walk past these trees, feel the leaves on these. They're called sea grape trees because, well, again, we're really clever with our names. They grow grapes and they live by the sea. But these leaves have so many cool properties. They have a waxy coating. You can literally scratch in a little phrase, you know, like, greetings from the Caribbean, not missing the cold temperatures. Slap a stamp on it, and the United States Postal Service will mail it, just like a postcard. Pretty cool, right?
That's cool.
You look ridiculous. Don't wag your tail. Intense tree. It's got a lot of things about it that can hurt you. It's exciting. Right here in front is probably already about 30 years old.
Food's still around.
I guess so. So today was a blast. It was just amazing. I wish I had a waterproof camera, because then I could get a lot of like the fish and stuff. But yeah, the hike kayak place was awesome. The leader was really nice. What was her name? Maggie. Yeah, she was really nice, and she brought us through, like, we went kayaking, and then she told us about mangrove trees, and then we went snorkeling, and we saw different types of like fish and stuff, and she knew all the names of them and stuff, and she was just very informative and told us about this really cool tree that's deadly to like all mammals, which is interesting. Yeah, it was a really nice day. We like saw a lot of wildlife and actually learned about an island, which is what I like. Yeah, it was pretty awesome. And then, so now we're gonna go get food and probably go to bed because today was so much fun, and it just kind of zapped all the life out of me. I'm tired. Yeah. See you tomorrow.